Lathe, we are going to do the anticipation drill. This one is the drill that I start all of my students out first in every class, and all it's going to do is work out any anticipation that you might have on those first few shots. So what I want you to do, I want you to load your mag and then load a round and then drop the mag. All right, now what we're going to do is make sure everything from stance all the way up to grip is completely correct. So first thing I'm gonna change for a little bit, you're right-handed, so I want this foot to slide back a hair. There you go. All right, and now you see how you're hunched over a little bit like that? I want you to stand straight up and bring the gun, no, stand straight up and bring the gun up to what you're looking at. All right, and then when you're up like that, I want you to prep your trigger. Take that first shot. All right, finger back on the trigger and press it all the way through. No dip. All right, so what we are looking for is to make sure, let me see, that you're not dipping or anticipating that recoil. Sure. Essentially what it's gonna do is just make sure you can streamline every shot to the same area. All right, so let's run through that let's go 3 rounds. So rack in, drop mag, go. Back on. A little bit of dip. Not too bad.
A little bit.
Good, no dip. Usually that's around the round count that you can get that drill out. Normally you can work most of your anticipation out in the first 3 to 5, and then we can go on from there.